So welcome back everyone. Today we'll be taking a look at the Mossy Oak Hand Saw. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this log that's laying across the ATV trail right now. Get that out of our way. So I'll take out the saw. It's pretty straightforward to open the saw blade. Just press on the button, lift up. It's going to catch on that little notch. There's a metal bar in there, and you'll hear that click sound. So I'm just going to cut through the log here. Something you want to make sure you don't do, you just bend that blade. Remember to take a moment to hit that like and subscribe button. There we go, and we're all the way through. Hi everyone, I'm looking at this cable in my backyard. My initial intention was to come out here and cut it with my Mossy Oak saw here just to see how well the metal blade cuts on this. But taking a look at it, it looks like it's actually a bear trap, or intended as part of a bear snare. So we have it wrapped around the tree a couple times and then locked in. And then if we take a look at the other end, I have another loop that'll slide up and down the wire quite nicely. And what I have right over there, the next tree right over, is going to be an apple tree. So in the fall, while we still have apples on the tree, there are quite a few bears that come to this tree. So I suspect that's what this was set up for. So I'm going to leave that here for right now, and maybe I'll utilize this in the spring or next year while it's bear season. It's still bear season right now, but it's too late in the year for any bears to be getting any apples right now. I wanted to come out and try some of the other blades on my Mossy Oak saw. I've just been using the wood saw up to this point, but then we'll put away our scrap metal back here. Blades. So I just want to try and see how hard it's going to be to cut with that metal blade. So take the blade out, just unscrew right here. Once you get it out, it'll just pull right out. You do have to press down on the green release lever as well. So we'll take out my other two blades. So we have another wood blade for drier wood. Then we have a steel saw blade as well. So I'm going to try the steel saw blade out, and we'll screw that back on. If you stuck around this far, leave a comment down in the description letting me know which blade on the saw you think is the most useful. So if you see there, I'm probably 2 millimeters down into the steel there, so about 1/8 of an inch. We are starting to get a little deeper into that. I'm all the way through in a couple spots. So that's not too bad for a demonstration, just to see how well that blade works. Peeled off a little bit of the paint, but really not bad at all, especially compared to what you get on a hacksaw blade. If I take the back route this way through my property, I ended up coming through this little spot right here because it's the easiest spot to come with all the trees that are down around here. So over the winter, what I'll do is I'll clean up some of these trees that are down, get them out of the way, make it a little easier to get back here. But I do want to cut this wire fence that's right here as well. So there, we got our hacksaw style blade on our mossy oak saw. So we'll give that a quick cut. So I already shot this video the other day. I'm just reshooting the video again because the video didn't turn out very well and I forgot to hit the record button for part of it. So I'm reshooting it. I'm lucky right now it stopped raining for the next few minutes. It is overcast. It was a bit nicer when I shot the original video. So I'm just going to use the dry saw blade to cut through some of the wood here and see how well that works. So once again, to open it up, we'll just push our little green button and open our blade up. We'll just cut these couple dry branches off real quick, just because they are in the way.